In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom domains for web and email in beehiiv. To get started, open your beehiiv account and look toward the bottom left corner of the dashboard. That's where you'll find the settings area. Go ahead and click there first. This is where beehiiv keeps the main configuration options for your publication, including the tools you need to connect a custom domain for both your website and your email sending setup. Once you're in Settings, find and open the Domain section. This is the place where you manage domain connections and make sure your publication is linked properly. If you want your brand to look more professional and consistent, this is an important step because it allows you to use your own domain or subdomain instead of relying only on the default beehiiv setup. Inside the Domain section, click on Set up Custom Domains. This will start the guided setup process. beehiiv makes this fairly straightforward, and from here you'll be able to choose exactly what kind of domain connection you want to create. Next, select Set up Web and Email Custom Domain. This option is useful if you want both your site experience and your email setup to use your branded domain. In other words, your readers will see your custom web address, and your email sending setup can also align with that same branding, which helps create a cleaner and more trustworthy experience. Now you'll be asked to enter the necessary information. Start with the new domain or subdomain you want to use. Be sure to type it carefully since even a small mistake can cause issues later in the setup. After that, enter the custom domain in the required field. You may also see an option to enable redirect. If you want visitors from one version of the domain to automatically land on the correct one, make sure that redirect option is turned on. That can be especially helpful for keeping traffic consistent and avoiding confusion. After you've entered everything, review the details carefully before confirming. This is a good moment to double-check the spelling of your domain and make sure you selected the correct setup option for both web and email. When everything looks right, complete the setup. And that's it. Your custom domain configuration will be in place and you're done. Setting this up helps strengthen your brand, makes your publication look more polished, and creates a better experience for your audience.